Want to share Temu affiliate link? In this video, I will guide you how you can share Temu affiliate link easily. The first thing you want to do is open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now go ahead and find the product that you want to share. If you do not find it here, you can simply use the search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in the keyword and search for it. Once you have found the item that you want to share, all you want to do is look for the share icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you will find a couple of options here. You can either share the item number by tapping on the copy option next to it and then share this. Or if you want to copy this link, select copy link option. Now you can paste it in any platform such as WhatsApp or Messenger. If you want to share this directly using those platforms, you can share this affiliate link via message, Facebook, post, Messenger, WhatsApp, X direct message, Snapchat, and Instagram. For this video, I'm going to select WhatsApp. Here, as you can see, the link is ready. All you need to do is tap on the send button and the affiliate link has been shared. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.